Hello to this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here with another plan with me, scripture writing. Not playing with me, but Bible scripture writing. And I already wrote out the scripture this week. I thought I'd do it a little different and then come back and do a little bit of decorating. So I use my Spectrum Noir art liner pens in 3 different colors, pink and 2 different shades of blue. I think it was 0.3. And now I'm going to go in and just add some washi and see what we can do from there, just to jazz up the page a little. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. And this has a little tape under here that I need to waste half of my stuff. I think I want to go vertical this week, so I always go horizontal. I'm gonna see if I can gonna cover some of my scripture, I think, if I do that, though. I'm trying to think if I want to. May not make it, but I'm gonna try and see if I can go. May change my mind. Let me see if I can make that a little straighter. It's always a trick. Not gonna give up yet. I think I am. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I want to do that, and I think I am going to white out the days. I want to cover that washi. And you don't have to necessarily do the whiteout. It depends on how opaque your washi is. If your washi is really strong, then it would cover it up. But this one is not too opaque, and okay, I should do it. I think I'm coming up with these crosses. Again, this is Bible journaling washi that I got from Tuesday morning, and it's going to come in a little bit, and they don't have to really be perfect. Just was trying to add a different layout than always going across, and so it's always, you know, Tuesday morning is a great spot to look for washi. Typically I have it for $3.99. Prices can vary, I'm sure, depending on the designer and how many rows. going to go ahead and put some on this one. Well, me also get my X-Acto knife to edge up this edge straight. I'm going to cut lightly so I don't cut through the paper. Oops. Now the other thing I'm going to do real quick is I am going to stamp. I'm a pen write the verse, but I am going to stamp the word Numbers, because these all came out of the book of Numbers in black. And then I will have my my book, excuse me. Just add a little contrasting color. And I'm going to use my pen to write the verses. Okay, so that is with my Faith Illustrated books of the Bible, and I want to add a couple more elements in here. What shall I stamp right there? I think I want to add it's a little bird, maybe butterfly, just to sing. Maybe I'll do that. And put the bird. And then I think I might put this branch under his foot, maybe. And maybe the butterfly over here. I think I'll do that. Just add a little different. Pretty little bird. So we have him right there. And again, these are Creative Devotion. And then I want to use this one. I think I want to use that branch maybe in this butterfly. Somewhere on the page. Sorry about the noise. And these little dots. I think I want these little speckled dots throughout the page too. And maybe even the arrow. So let's see. Let's put this butterfly maybe at an angle right there. It's the first time I'm going to be using these stamps, so hopefully they were stamped well. Oh, that's stamped beautifully. Okay, and let's get this little branch. Kind of think of how I want to. I think I'm going to use this one going down. Okay, and then these little splatters maybe. I think they're fun. And I'm just going to randomly perch them throughout the page. I think they add such great depth and character. They're so cool. And let's see. Okay. These are great, like mixed media background with stamps. I love that. Let me grab my pens and write down both my blues and my pink. I'll write down my verses. So on my first one, which was the 17th, and that one should be 313. Let me just make sure I'm right on starting out with the right one. Yep. This is 313. And then the next one is 624, 26. Then the next one is 10-9. Then this one is 12-8. And the next one is 16-21. And this one would be 2012. And this last one would be 2319. Okay. And so that's my Scriptiure art liner in the 0.03. It's a fine tip. I typically prefer 0.07. And I want to add something else under here. And I'm not quite sure what I want to add. But I feel like it's missing something. And hold on one second, let me find another stamp. I am going to use the word blessed. It's a little big, but I'm okay with that. And this comes from the Faith Illustrated as well. Seeds of Faith. So I'm just going to put it right under the bird. Just to take up a little bit of that white space. And then I think I want to put just a little bit more of those little dots. And then I think I am going to probably call it a day. So a little bit more of those maybe.